Hello students, today we are going to start new poem in English literature, section 3, The People Upstairs. Auden Nash was an American poet well known for his light verse or humorous poems. In 1930, he wrote Spring Comes to Murray Hill and submitted it to a popular and respected magazine. He had thought up the poem while gazing out of his office window and thinking about life. The magazine published the poem and invited Nash to submit more, and this eventually led to a contract for his first work, Hard Lines, published in 1931. It went into 7 print runs in the first year alone. He found great success with his ability to humorously express disbelief and dismay at aspects of modern American life. Now come to the poem The People Upstairs. The People Upstairs captures the frustration that the poet feels from sharing an apartment building with noisy neighbors. He imagines that they practice ballet ball in their living room and that they have conducted tours in their bedroom. He says their radio is louder than his and they seem to celebrate whether it is a weekend or a weekday. He says that whenever they take a shower, his ceilings leak. He imagines that his neighbors supply their guests with pogo sticks during parties and that they themselves use roller skates to go to the bathroom. He concludes the poem by saying that he might not feel annoyed with his neighbors if they lived somewhere other than right above him. Now come to the Hindi explanation of this poem. The People Upstairs. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. इसमें पोएट कह रहे हैं कि जो उनके ऊपर रहते हैं, उनके घर के ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे, वो बता रहे हैं कि वो लोग ऐसा लगता है बैलेट प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और बहुत शोर रहता है उनके रूम में नीचे. ऐसा लगता है सब उनके रूम में टूर करने आते हैं, मतलब घूमने आते हैं. दियर रेडियो इज़ लाउडर देन योर्स. दे सेलिब्रेट वीकेंड्स ऑल द वीक. वो बता रहे हैं कि उनका जो रेडियो होता है वो आपके भी रेडियो से बहुत तेज़ होगा, और जो उनका वीकेंड्स होता है ऐसा लगता है वो हर वीकेंड मनाते हैं, हर डे मनाते हो. When they take a shower, your ceilings leaks. जब भी वो शावर लेते हैं, मतलब जब भी वो नहाते हैं, तो आप ऐसा लगता है ceilings लीक कर रही हूँ. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. ऐसा लगता है उनकी जो पार्टीज़ होती हैं वो बहुत मिक्स होती हैं सब बहुत लोग के साथ, और जो गेस्ट्स होते हैं वो ऐसा लगता है वो पोगो स्टिक्स के साथ इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. ओके. दे And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. ऐसा लगता है कि जब वो मतलब फ़न उनका ख़त्म हो जाता है, जब वो लोग थक जाते हैं, तो ऐसा लगता है वो बाथरूम किससे जाते हैं, रोलर स्केट से जाते हों. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. हाँ, मैं उनको मानती होती, उनसे मैं उनको मानता होता, उनसे प्यार करता होता अगर वो कहीं और रह रहे होते. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.